everyone, welcome back to the Auto Drive Show, your ultimate destination for the latest and most exciting vehicles from around the world. Whether it's futuristic EVs, next-gen bikes, or something totally unexpected like today's feature, we cover it all. If you're passionate about innovation on wheels, make sure to stick around because this one's going to surprise you today. We're diving into something refreshingly unique, incredibly compact, and surprisingly practical, the 2026 Tricycle Camper. Yes, you heard that right. A camper built on a tricycle. At first it might sound like a novelty, maybe even a gimmick. But the moment you see what it actually offers, you'll realize this tiny wonder might just be one of the smartest mobility solutions of the decade. So what exactly is the 2026 Tricycle Camper? At its core, it's a three-wheeled electric the vehicle that comes integrated with a compact, lightweight camper module, designed with solo travelers and minimalist adventurers in mind. It's not just eco-friendly, it's practical, self-sufficient, and totally street-legal in most urban and suburban areas. Now let's talk about design. The 2026 Tricycle Camper doesn't look like your average RV or camping trailer. Its design is futuristic and functional. From the front, it resembles a hybrid between a cargo trike and a sleek electric bike. The camper pod on the rear is compact, aerodynamic, and made of ultralight, sustainable materials like carbon fiber and recycled composites. The total length is just under 8 feet, and it weighs less than 200 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Inside, you'd be surprised at how much is packed into such a small footprint. The camper features a fold-out bed, solar-powered battery system, USB charging ports, LED lighting, an extendable roof for extra headroom, and even a mini kitchenette with a collapsible sink and induction stove. There's also storage space built right into the walls, allowing you to carry essentials like a sleeping bag, cooking gear, and basic clothing. One of the most fascinating things about this camper is its sustainability. The 2026 model is powered by a combination of solar panels and pedal assist electric drive, meaning you can travel long distances with minimal effort and zero emissions. The solar panel on top constantly charges the onboard battery during the day, and the regenerative braking system helps restore power while riding downhill. It's the perfect mix of human power and renewable energy, and it's not just a cool toy. It's also practical for real-world use. Commuters, digital nomads, and nature lovers are beginning to see it as a new alternative to traditional camping or expensive van builds. With more cities and countries embracing bike-friendly infrastructure, the Tricycle Camper could become a real solution for affordable mobile living. Imagine rolling into a national park, setting up your camper under the stars, and waking up in nature, all without needing gas or a parking permit. Performance-wise, the electric assist motor delivers up to 250 watts of continuous power with a peak of 500 watts for uphill terrain. The top assisted speed is around 25 kilometers per hour or 15.5 miles per hour, which is perfect for city limits and off-grid trails. On a single charge, you're looking at around 60 to 100 kilometers of range, depending on terrain and usage, with solar extending that range throughout the day. Now let's talk price. The expected retail price for the 2026 Tricycle Camper starts at around $6,500 USD, depending on the configuration, compared to even the most basic van conversions, or micro RVs. That's a fraction of the cost. And because it's classified in most regions as an e-bike or cargo trike, you don't need a license, insurance, or registration in many places. Though local laws will always vary, it's not meant for everyone, but for solo travelers, explorers, or people looking to downsize and embrace a simpler lifestyle, this might be the dream ride they've been waiting for. It's quirky, yes, but it's smart, forward-thinking, and reflects where mobility is heading. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself living the Trike camper life? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. That's all for today from the Auto Drive Show, where the road ahead is always more exciting than the one behind. Catch you in the next one.